Guys, show you this wireless CarPlay adapter. It's a 2024 model with a glass panel, aluminum frame, and the nylon cable. So this is the wire to wireless CarPlay dongle for the Apple AirPlay or CarPlay. So compatible for cars from 2015 and iPhone 6 or iOS 10 and later. So this is the manual, all other details. So it's the straightforward manual that you can use. This is the adapter for USB-C and from the USB, and this is the actual CarPlay. Just removing this one, so show the glass panel and the aluminum frame on the corner. This is the braided USB-C on the USB attachment here. So I'm just putting in the car with my CarPlay USB. It started here, that you can see the light is on, and now I will just put it as a Bluetooth. You can see the blue smart dongle here. It got attached through the Bluetooth through my iPhone. Once it is attached, my car is saying enable it. I am enabling it. So it's loading. There are some permissions that you need to give, and this all set. So you can see that it shows my CarPlay on my car without attaching it to the USB. So it's wirelessly attaching my CarPlay through this adapter. So it's pretty fast, straightforward, easy to connect, no lag time, and yeah, helpful as well.